Bonjour French ladies. In our video today, I will be sharing 7 summer style mistakes that I, as a professional style consultant, see women over 50 make so often, and exactly how you can fix each one in order to stay comfortable yet put together in summer. Our number 1 mistake is wearing fabrics that trap heat. For us, many women over 50, we may be carrying a bit of extra weight. And also, due to menopause, heat can become a problem. So we have to be careful about polyester and acrylic and other man-made fabrics because they do trap heat. And so they expand the problem exponentially. They don't breathe well. They make you perspire more, and they often cling exactly where you don't want them to. If you know what I'm talking about, let us know in the comments. So of course, in summer, this is a disaster. You may start the day looking fine, but after an hour heat, the fabric sticks. It may show perspiration marks, creases in the wrong places, and makes the whole outfit look less elegant. And this is where many women go wrong. They may look at the style, the color, the price, but they forget about the fabric. Always check the label, my lovely ladies. For summer, your best friends are breathable fabrics, such as linen, linen blends, cotton and cotton blends, viscose, silk or silk blends, and lightweight breathable knits. Now, a word about linen, because we all know that 100% linen can crease, and it does crease quite a lot. While some women enjoy that, others may find it is too much creases. So a linen blend is a very good alternative because it will give you the breathable qualities of linen, but with much less wrinkling. Cotton is excellent for shirts, t-shirts, dresses and skirts. Viscose can drape beautifully and is also very comfortable in the heat. And silk blends look elegant without being too heavy. And lightweight knits can work very well as long as they are breathable and not too tight. By the way, I have a free download about the best fabrics for summer for women over 50, and the link is in the description box below. My pro tip is, before you buy anything for summer, ask yourself those 2 questions. Is this fabric breathable? And how will it fare after 1 or 2 hours in the heat? Oh, by the way, you have not subscribed yet? Please click on the subscribe button. Click on the like if you're enjoying this video, leave us a comment and share this video to your many friends. Thank you. Our second summer style mistake is dressing only for comfort. Comfort matters. I'm not saying we should suffer in the heat without clothes, but comfort without intention is quickly becoming frumpy. And this is especially true for summer because we want to reach for the easiest things to wear, such as elasticated waistbands, old t-shirts, old frumpy shorts, ugly shoes, and sweatpants. The problem is when every single piece in your outfit says comfort, the outfit loses its shape, its style, its elegance. There is a big difference between looking comfortable and looking like you may have given up. But I am not asking you to choose between comfort and style. No, 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 my lovely ladies. The goal is to choose pieces that are breathable, comfortable, and stylish. Style does not have to be uncomfortable. For instance, instead of an old, shapeless, loose t-shirt, wear a nice top in a good quality cotton that has a good shape and a nice v-neck. Instead of loose sweatpants, wear a wide leg linen trousers. Instead of a random summer dress, go for a structured column or a fit and flare that gives you the figure of a Greek goddess. You see, these pieces are comfortable but intentional and chic. My pro tip is, before you leave the house, ask yourself this question: is my outfit only comfortable or comfortable yet stylish. Our next summer style mistake is choosing clothes that are shapeless. In summer, many women want loose clothing because it's hot and they don't want anything that is restrictive, tight and uncomfortable. And we can understand why. But there is a big difference between shapeless and relaxed. Oversized tunic, shapeless loose dresses, baggy elasticated waisted trousers, and loose tops can conceal your figure completely. Okay, they will hide the areas you don't want to show. Yes, but they will conceal also everything else. You will disappear. So what you need is not tight clothing, but shape in your clothes. And the easiest way to fix this is choose one point of structure. And that could be a defined shoulder, a waist detail, an A-line shape. It could be a shirt dress with a belt. And it could be a wide leg linen trousers worn with a slimline top that is half tucked or fully tucked in. Structure does not mean stiff. It means that the garment gives your body some definition. My pro tip is, when you try on some summer clothes, ask where is the shape, where is the structure. If there is none, walk away. Our next summer style mistake is wearing comfortable, sensible shoes everywhere. I know comfort is important or vital, and I also know that many of you have feet problems. But heavy walking shoes or outdated comfort sandals can ruin your otherwise elegant outfit instantly. Shoes should be practical, of course, but never an afterthought. They can make or break an outfit. And this is especially visible in the summer because the shoes your feet are more exposed. So those old, outdated sandals, those bulky, comfortable shoes should be relegated for gardening or walking the dogs, but not when you are wearing a refined outfit. I am not saying to wear uncomfortable shoes, but I am saying to choose comfortable shoes that are still refined. Look for leather sandals with thinner straps, much less bulky. Try a metallic leather that works beautifully in the summer and show off your feet beautifully. Choose espadrilles if they suit your lifestyle. Look for elegant flats, modern slides, or sleek leather sneakers. The secret here is to keep the shoe visually lighter. Keep the dark colors, heavy shoe, heavy material for the winter. My pro tip is audit your summer shoes thoroughly. Ask yourself, are they only comfortable and practical? Or are they comfortable yet beautiful? Our summer style mistake number 5 is choosing prints that overwhelm you. Summer is full of prints. Florals, tropical prints, polka dots, abstracts, and large motifs. But don't get me wrong, prints can be beautiful. But the wrong prints can completely take over. And again, you disappear. A print should add interest and a focus, not adding too much noise. So what works better? Elegant stripes, but not too white. Small geometrics, refined florals, tonal prints, and classic prints in a minimal color palette. I often recommend that my ladies choose prints in 2 colors, so it still adds interest, yet it is not overwhelming. My pro tip is, when you wear a print, look in front of the full-length mirror and ask yourself, do I see myself or does the print take over? Remember, if the print enters the room before you do, Houston, we have a problem. Our next summer style mistake is treating your underwear as an afterthought. This is one of the most important summer style mistakes, and yet many women ignore it. Out of sight, out of mind. But in summer, fabrics are thinner, lighter, some even a little transparent. So of course, your underwear won't be out of sight, will it? Visible bra straps, visible panty lines, for support, transparency, or the wrong bra shape can ruin your elegant outfit. And let me be blunt here. A bra in a wrong size can ruin your silhouette and will make you look older. It will make your bust look lower, your waist shorter, make some tops pull in the wrong places, and make dresses hang badly. Sometimes we think that the dress is a problem, but actually is the underwear underneath. Your underwear is the foundation of your outfit. And if your foundation is wrong, your outfit cannot look its best. For summer, you need smooth, nude underwear. You need bras that fit you properly, so in your correct size, that support you well. And of course, work with your summer necklines. When wearing white trousers, wear nude pants so that you can see them through. And check also your VPN. My pro tip is, you put on your underwear first, but don't think about it last. Our next summer style mistake is over-accessorizing with heavy jewelry. In winter, heavy accessories work better because the fabrics themselves are heavier, thicker. But in summer, fabrics are thinner, lighter. So choose thinner, lighter jewelry. Don't forget your free download in the description box below. And if you want to know my top summer dresses this year, watch the video on screen now.